Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can create a questionnaire and add it to your website on Squarespace. So let us get started. Head over to the page of your website on Squarespace. Let me go with that completely blank page here. Click into edit in the top left corner to start editing your page. Now navigate through your page and click into the section where you'd like to place your questionnaire. So let me go with this one here. And next click into add block in the top left corner of the selected section. And after that, select form from that menu here. Next, guys, you will see that default form here. However, guys, we can customize and edit it easily. To do that, simply click into that pencil icon in the top left corner and select edit form fields from that menu here. So what you want to do next, guys, is click into add field here and select radio. And after that, get rid of that default of these default fields here by simply clicking into that bin icon here. So let me remove that one and that one and that one as well, which will leave us with that radio questionnaire here. So you can customize it, guys, by simply left clicking into it and, for example, click into label and type in your question here, like for instance, favorite ice cream flavor or something like that, question mark. And after that, you may describe your questionnaire below. For instance, select required question, for example, if participating in that questionnaire is mandatory for your questionnaire participants, but we can also leave it at optional, for example. So here below, guys, you may add your question answers or replies. Option number 1 and option number 2 will be added on default, so you can add more. Option 3, sorry, let me click again into it, pencil icon, edit form fields, questionnaire, and here click into add option, and so on and so forth, depending on how many replies or options you would like to add, and simply edit these. Like for example, you may delete the option or add a follow-up question, or simply type in your reply or option, which in this case here would be ice cream flavors. So let me add vanilla, and we got strawberry, and so on and so forth, chocolate, hazelnut. So that's basically it, guys. So once your questionnaire has been added, you may move it around here on in your section, for instance, and yeah, allow your questionnaire participants to provide answers here within that questionnaire once your website has been not only saved in the top left corner, but also gone online or public. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, that's how your questionnaire might look like. So if I click into that option here or that one here and click into submit, my answers as a questionnaire participant will be saved. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.